What is up, Lowheat fam? Today I have in a pair of not Lowheat. This is the rare time where I have a pair of some high heat on deck. And this is some surprise high heat. So, the story goes, the Union Jordan 4 release, they did a online raffle, they did an in-store raffle, and then they did a sneakers drop. And on Sunday, I think it was Father's Day, June 20th, I went and did the in-store raffle. I live in LA area. I went down and went in and stood in line for the in-store raffle. And then online, I applied for the online raffle. In-store, I did the taupe because I knew it was the only way to get that colorway. And then online, I did, obviously, online, I did the Desert Moss. I didn't know you could apply for the taupe online, but I did the Desert Moss. And so, time comes a week later when after June 20th, when they're starting to send out emails of winners. The whole weekend comes and goes. They're saying, keep your eye on your email. We're going to be releasing, telling winners all this weekend. Comes, goes, no news. Big fat L is what I'm thinking. And I'm like, damn, because I hit on the very first pair of Union Jordan 1s, and I hit on their first pair of Jordan 4s. And so I was really hoping, greedily, that I would hit on the Tent and Trail pair. Comes and goes. No word. Whole week goes by. Another week goes by. July 3rd, I get an email in the middle of the day, 2 weeks after the raffle. Invoice, Union Los Angeles. Send payment. I'm like, no way. And it's send payment for your Desert Moss Union Jordan 4s. So I was super hyped. I didn't hear a lot online about people getting late email notifications, so I think I'm just one of a handful of people who got late notifications. Maybe it got clogged up in their network. Maybe a handful of people didn't fulfill their invoices in time. They were bots, got weeded out, what have you. And so I got a late notice. And yeah, I think I was just one of the very few who got just a late invoice. And so then just today they came in, I think today is July 12th, and then they came in yesterday. So weeks after the drop, I finally got these in hand. So let's take a look at these. And I know this video is late. There's tons of other unboxings out there. So if you're listening, if you're watching, I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you if you subscribe or are a subscriber. I appreciate you if you do click subscribe right now. That would be awesome. That would be dope. Because I know there's tons of other unboxing videos of these at this point. So this is just mine and my take. So again, very thankful if you are watching this. So we have the same box as the Union Jordan 4s that came out previously, the Noir and the Guavas. Check out my unboxing video of the Guavas. It's on my channel. That was like the first unboxing video I did to start off my channel, sneaker unboxing, so go check that out. So same packaging, same paper of Jordan here. And I love this packaging. Love the packaging. It's just, it's killer. So let's see here. Be careful. Oh, sheesh. Look at these. Glorious. Got the Jumpman hang tag in this yellow-orange color. You got the Union LA tag right there, kind of their signature now. This, not this like kind of nylon upper in the foot area and around the whole shoe with the whole upper, and this soft suede in Desert Moss. Plus this Jumpman hang tag, this other Jumpman hang tag, cardboard one. This is kind of their signature logo for this. 99 to 2021. Look at these. These are pretty fire, I must say. So just like the Noir and the Guavas, I think these hit online, pictures of these, and people were a little resistant at first. And, These right up front, I'm going to tell you, I don't like these quite as much as the Noirs or Guavas, but I do like them. Doesn't mean I don't like them. Just means that these I like a little less. These are like, you know, I don't do rating systems. I haven't yet. Maybe I'll get into that. But I like these just a little less. I'll think on a rating as I'm doing this. But I do love the combinations of colors. I like this purple combined with a teal and this lighter purple. This has really 90s vibes, which is what this was inspired from. Really kind of that style in that period and that decade, and definitely with these especially these colors has that vibe. And their whole capsule here was based upon like being outdoors, hiking, camping. That was kind of their theme, and that is kind of the aesthetic. Obviously Jordan 4s aren't hiking shoes, but you can wear them outdoors. It is allowed. You can wear them hiking. They're just not designed for it, but that's okay. So I appreciate what they did with that design aesthetic. Let's bring out the other one here. I appreciate that, and getting people outside was kind of their theme, getting people outdoors, doing activities. And I'm a big, if you listen to my other videos, I'm definitely into hiking and camping. So I love this blend. I like ACG. I love this blend of streetwear, hype, streetwear fashion, and then outdoors activities, outdoorsing. Some people, you know, these aren't the original type of plastic wings on the side here. These are usually hollowed out. I don't mind that they close these in. I am feeling these alternate laces. I dig those. Let me know in the comments which laces you like better. These are kind of gray taupe ones or these. I will say these laces, you know, if you don't have these, they're softer. These look like they'd be like 3M, some nylon, polyester material, but these are just soft, very soft laces. I'm not going to point out every single detail on these because, again, there's many other unboxing videos out there that do that thing. If you're here and you're still listening, again, I appreciate you, but you're here for my take. So I'm just going to point out things that I find interesting or that I like or don't like. Like the Jordan 4, the other Jordan 4s, these have these sewn tongue. I like this sewn over tongue from the perspective that it's different, right? That they're trying to do something different. I don't think it maybe looks the best aesthetically, but I appreciate that this is different, that anyone else wearing a Jordan 4, they're not going to have this. Anyone wearing any other shoe is not going to have a shortened tongue like this that's folded over. So I appreciate it for being different. I may do one tongue up, one down, or let that naturally, you know, threads tear away over time. But that's my thought on the tongues. I think I'm definitely going to switch out the laces. That's for sure. I really think these add a pop of color, obviously, to this duller desert moss. Also, if you know desert moss, it's definitely this color. So I really dig that title for that name for that color. Let's put these on, because with most of my high heat, I have them dead stock. Most of my high heat, I have dead stock, or I bought it used, but I just never wear it. So these are going currently for like between like high 400s to 600s, like right, basically ballpark 500. These though, I'm wearing right away, straight to feet. Let's put them on. That's what I'm going to do different about my video here, because again, there's many other unboxing videos, but I'm going to put these right on the foot. You're going to get to see these, see me wear these right away, see how they look on foot. That's what I'm bringing to the table. All right, we're back, and check these babies out on foot. Look at, I mean, that is pretty dope. Basically, so I wore just straight up black Nike socks, Nike tube socks, but like as kind of that's the good litmus test, right? Like this is the sock that you wear with everything, for the most part, unless you're a white sock guy. So you could definitely find some better socks that like complement these or go with these, but let's just wear, this is the standard test, and look how far these go with just black Nike socks. I think these are dope. I like this colorway more and more, especially on foot. In hand, these shoes are better on picture. On foot, these shoes are better than just in hand. These get better and better, and I'm sure with wear, they'll even get better and better. Like, look how fire these things are. So shout out to Union, Chris Gibbs' team, and the design team and everyone. Also, I like Union because a lot of their releases recently have been, community focused, some socially conscious vibes in them, and the way they kind of seed certain businesses with these. And some of the cynical people out there maybe watching this be like, yeah, but they're a business, they're Jumpman, $1 billion brand, yada, yada, yada. They sell $500 t-shirts. And all that's true, but there's lots of brands that just don't do anything. So I do feel like, even if they're going to put themselves out there and at least attempt, it's better than nothing. So I appreciate that. And, cynical people, you can have your thoughts, and that's fine. But I like the minimal amount of effort shown, at least. And these, let's stand up in these. So I don't have a ton of experience wearing Jordan 4s. I apologize. I'm wearing my Stone Island shorts. Got these on sale. I did not pay retail for these, FYI. I don't have a ton of experience with Jordan 4s because the pairs that I have dead stock still. This is the first pair I've actually kind of tossed on immediately. So as I suspect with most Jordans, like, they're roomy. For the most part, they're almost casual shoes by today's standards, but they aren't super comfortable, and that's exactly how these feel. They're roomy in the foot area, but definitely stiff on the under part of the foot. That being said, I think you should go true to size. I do feel like a little bit of digging in the heel, interestingly, right on my Achilles there. Is a little stiff. So that's something interesting I noticed right away. But I'm sure these will break in. I'm not going to wear these a ton. But see, I've already undeadstocked these. I will be wearing these. I will be changing out the laces. And I think if you like these, this is an affordable-ish hype pair of shoes. So I don't endorse spending $500 on a pair of shoes, but if you were going to buy a pair of hype shoes, this is one that, isn't $1,000. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like these or the taupe ones? Now, I do like the taupe, the other colorway, the LA exclusive colorway. Definitely vibe with those, and those command a higher price because the supply is more limited. But I like how different these are. How many pairs of shoes in your collection do you have that are this colorway? I'm guessing none. So these are definitely unique. I have millions of pairs of white shoes, and I'm growing my pairs of black shoes. None in my collection are this color, and so I like that about these. Like, here, let's see them in the sunlight. There you go. That's how these hit at when the sun's falling. Real kind of the moss gets like a richer color to it, and the purple gets a little deeper. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, which colorway is better. You like the first 4s better, the Noir Guavas, or you like these better? I'm gonna do so. Another plug for the channel, if you could subscribe, because upcoming, this is what I was wearing today. I'm gonna do an on-foot review of these, and I got the white varsity red pair recently at Foot Locker, so I'm gonna unbox those, and then I'm gonna review them both. I've given these some wear, so I'm gonna do a video on those, and then I think I'm gonna do a follow-up video on the Union Jordan collection, since I got 3 pairs. That's right, that's a little flex. My highest heat that I have probably is I got the Jordan 1s, I got the Guavas, and now I have the Desert Moss. So I'm going to do a little bit, once I wear these more, what I'll do is I'll do a wear review. I'll do a wear review of these, and then in addition to that, to give a little more content, I'll kind of compare them to the other Jordan releases, and I'll give my ranking as to what I think, how they all rank out for me on all the different colorways. So that's what's upcoming. So please subscribe if you're still listening. Appreciate that. And yeah, for a rating, let's start making ratings a little regular part of this. If you're still watching, let me know what your rating is in the comments on a scale of 1 to 10. My rating of these on a scale of 1 to 10. Let's think about it for a second. I'm hovering between a 7.5 and an 8.5. So let's call these. Let's give these an 8. which is a solid, very good grade. I give these an 8, and I'm happy I undeadstocked these, and I'm happy to be rocking these immediately. All right, see you next time.